Hello, hello, hello. Back again for another girl talk. Lately it's been a lot. It's just been a lot going on up here. I just know how to channel it and bring it out, because sometimes when I say things, they come out, left. But I feel the need to talk about this. And this video is gonna be on it's like a side chick versus main chick topic. Okay, both of you guys are listen. It's no side, it's no main. If there's two, the only one winning is him. Okay, so if you'd like to stay tuned and hear more about this, it's girl talk time. We're gonna get it together. Okay, stay tuned. Continue watching this video. Don't go nowhere. Hi, beautiful people. I'm back. To all new people, welcome. To those that's been rocking out with me, welcome back. Kudos to you. All right, 18,000. That's where we're at right now. 18,000. Just over the weekend, it was like 17,900 something. And when today, it's Monday. Happy Monday. When I check, we're at 18,000. Listen. Every time I'm gonna keep getting ecstatic every single time, like it's my first 100. And to those that's been rocking with me, y'all know this is the energy I had, because even when I was down to like my first 69 subscribers, I had a whole party. Tap in, check out some of my old videos too, share some of my old videos, watch them, okay? Okay, but yes, beautiful people, I hope you guys are in well-balanced spirit. It's girl talk time. Before we get into our girl talk, I'm gonna start our 3 mantras. Let's get into it. I am protected. I am divine beauty. I attract many blessings. You felt that? I did. But yeah, beautiful people, let's jump into this topic. Girl talk time. So, yeah, side chick, main chick, guy, boy, whichever you like to categorize the person as. I see like a lot of feud. It's a lot of conflicting. It's a lot of like fog in the air. And it's been going on for years. I'm 30 years old, and it's been going on from the generation above me. And it's also, I'm now seeing it happen with the generation after me. And it's like, I want to talk about it. So we're going to talk about it. Me personally, I played both quote unquote roles, and honestly it's not a role, positions, whatever you like to call it, quote unquote. And I really think in order to come up with an observation, you really have to be on both sides of the fence. You have to experience both sides, because you really won't know how to actually feel, or you won't know how the other person's feel, vice versa. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of people that's been with people for years complain about the new person, or the person that's on the side, or whatever you like to call it. It's no side, as I said. The other woman complain about the main chick. And honestly, I feel like women are like oblivious to the real issue, and it's obviously the person like in the middle. It's the person that both of you guys are committed to, the person that both of you guys are choosing to be with, are choosing to allow to take energy and take time away from you, that's stirring up all these emotions, and you're using its emotions and you're using it to attack the next female. Like, can we take a few steps back here? Do you realize what I just said? It's like, it's kind of like someone else punching you, and instead of like you feeling the pain, healing from the pain, growing through and moving on from the pain, you punch somebody else so they can feel that. If that kind of makes sense. But yeah, beautiful ladies, I'm here to tell you, like, you have power. You have all the power, especially if you're dealing with someone who is quote unquote committed to you, come home to you, just, that aspect. You have power. You do. Yes, they are showing you loyalty. Yes, they are coming home. But if they choose to still date or still give their time and energy to another female, do they value you? Do they value what you have? I don't know. But instead of blaming the next female for it. You can actually sit and channel that within inside of you and make the decision for yourself. Am I gonna stay or am I gonna go? Am I gonna stay and accept what's going on? Am I built for that? Am I built to handle him cheating again? Am I built to continue to have a lifestyle of cheating for over 5 years or over so many years? And this is vice versa. Yes, we're having girl talk, but it's man or women. If your spouse is cheating, you have to channel that within yourself. Don't take that energy and attack the next man. For instance, if you're a guy and your spouse or your partner, whoever you're dealing with, cheats on you, it's you and that person's issue. You get what I'm saying? It's not that next person's issue. Okay? It's really not, especially if you have a commitment with that person. We have to start directing energy where it needs to go and stop like taking the short way route or the coward route and blaming other people for stuff that, you know, we clearly have control over controlling. Period. And I get it. I definitely get it. And it's an ego thing. It's an ego thing. It's two women that feel as they have one prize and both women are trying to tug and pull. The quote unquote wife position has the house, has the like the cars, has probably the pictures that they're posting on social media, just has everything they feel is quote unquote wife position. And the quote unquote side position, the vacation, the trips, the dinner, the quote unquote materialistic type side of things, the egotistic side of things. So how can you, like, as being the main, how can you call her the side? And then being the side, how can you call her the main? At the end of the day, it's two women that's enjoying the experiences. That's it. So if you're happy with this, you can choose to stay with the guys, okay? Don't fight each other. Don't blame each other for what's going on. Because honestly, it's him. It's him. He hasn't reached his full potential yet that he feels he needs to choose one girl. Or he feels the need to want to choose. As long as he has two, guess what? He's going to juggle. Man or woman, you're going to juggle. If you aren't fully reached that potential that you want to be, and you have more than one, you're going to play with both. I don't care what anybody says. I really don't. You're gonna do both. Okay. And females, we are much stronger together than apart. Okay? Yes, I'm an alpha female. I definitely like doing things on my own. I love setting tones. I just love being in control of my own aura. I'm a Sagittarius. That's what we do. But I definitely just love being around, you know, great people. I just love that energy. So when females are able to put away low frequency issues or just issues that things that you feel is issues because we just adapted this through prior generations or adapted this through music. I'm Caribbean, I'm Jamaican. A lot of the songs, literally the song tones is, oh, I'm sleeping with this person's wife or I'm sleeping with this person's man. And the more you listen to music like this, you build this ego and you build this character and you start to live that lifestyle and then you start to like target other people. No. All right. We're going to get it together or we're going to leave. Okay. And it's just, I see like women, for instance, it's like you, when you was in a place like that, you can see it. Like you see in other people, you get it. And then when you see the conflict that's building off of it, it's like, whoa. It doesn't even have to go there because trust me, it's not like that. Because if the person in the middle valued either one of you guys, and felt that they need to make the decision, they're going to make the decision. That person in the middle can still value both of you guys, but if no one is making that move to go or making that move to like, you know, to evolve, they're going to still there and juggle. Okay. So if you really want to have this position with this person or you really want to stay in your territory and stay in your ground, you have to leave. Period. I know it's like, it sounds like conflicting and, you know, it's not what we're used to or adapt to, but you have to leave. You definitely have to leave. And the way the universe works, whichever leaves, whichever is the quote unquote main or the quote unquote side, whoever chooses to leave, that one that was juggling both, if they didn't learn that lesson by you leaving, you know, learn the lesson to evolve or just change their ways, they're gonna follow you same way. So the person who's grasping onto them, like trying to hold on to them, doing all this crazy stuff so bad, like they're gonna end up staying with this person and realizing that this person wasn't even, like, it wasn't worth the fight. You get what I'm saying? It's going to stop them from their growth. It's going to stop them from doing so much stuff. And they're going to realize, like, what? And so it's either they're going to realize their worth continue. It's either the one in the middle is going to realize you left and continue going this way. But whichever way it goes, life goes on. Whichever way it goes, we can choose if we want to stay in misery or if we want to stay joyful. Okay? The experience is all up to you, whichever you feel inside. But just like I said, the experience is all up to you. When the females is just arguing, bickering back and forth, like, that's your choice too. Like, it's your choice too. You have 100% power to leave, okay? And you also have 100% power to stay. But the energy and emotions that you attach to this choice matters the most. If you're gonna stay, be joyful about it. You chose to stay. It's your choice. Why not? You love it there, right? If you chose to go, be joyful about it. You chose to go when you could have stayed. You get what I'm saying? It's a characteristic, okay? When it comes to cheating, it's a characteristic. As I said, I played all parts. I played the quote-unquote wife, quote-unquote side chick, quote-unquote faithful, quote-unquote cheater. Everything is just what you do. It's based on the experience. It's based on the emotion. It's based on who you are at that moment in time. It's based on the knowledge that you have. You know what I'm saying? Which other side you are channeling at that moment. But our anger, all the drama, all the blame of other people for your choices, like, accountability is one thing. And I just, that's all it takes is accountability. Having some type of compassion, directing that energy where it belongs and not towards the next girl. Like, it's the dude. Okay? It's the woman you're committed to. It's the guy you're committed to that you have to direct that energy to. I really, really, really hope this girl talk did some magic. Because even me, I feel a sense of, woo. After I did that video, I really felt like it was necessary. And shout outs to everyone that's on, just a positive route. Like, just trying to change. You realize the old way wasn't working. So you're adapting to new. You're walking into your power. Kudos to you. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's 2021. We're going to keep it together. But just choose love. Like, all this animosity and anger is not necessary. Of course, I understand it's needed, especially if you have, like, just PTSD from certain situations and relationships. It may play a part in where you're at currently, but you don't have to carry it. It's something that you have to work on within yourself. I'm still going on it. I'm still trying to not carry on what I went through in the past with my new. But of course, it's a process. I have to, like, speak to myself every day about it. Check myself every day about it. But it don't have to be war. It don't have to be anger. It don't have to be none of that crazy stuff they try to make us dip. All right. Yes, beautiful people. Girl Talk is officially wrapped up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you are not officially part of the family, you don't watch this whole video. So you're officially a part of the family now. Hit that subscribe button. Also, the little bell thingy thing that you see on the top right, that's called notification sign. Once you hit your notification sign, anytime I have a video that's posted or anytime I go live, whichever I do, you'll see it, okay? So, yes, check that. Check it, hit it. Also, ladies, check out StayReadySwim.com. I recently uploaded my new inventory to my website. Swimline. Sexy swimsuits for thick, voluptuous women. I also have some cover-ups. If you have an OnlyFans, for the females that just decide not to, like, you just want to wear something sexy, not wear something nude, check out Stay Ready Swim. Definitely have a whole bunch of sexy attire. Listen, we're going to get it together. We're figuring it out. All right, beautiful people, stay blessed.